Good morning, class. Today we want to start a new topic that's called Divisional Acts. Since you have been learning IRE from grade 1 to 7, IRE, the topic is just the same, but the content is different. Now, let's look at Divisional Acts in grade 7. Let's start with congregational prayer. Congregational prayer, this is also known as Salatul Jama'ah. And these are the prayers that is performed by 2 or more people. In short, congregational prayer, this is a prayer that is performed by 2 or more people. And one person who leads the congregational prayer is called what? Imam. While others follow as the Ma'amum. Examples of congregational prayers. It includes the 5 daily prayers. Jama'ah prayers. Jama'ah prayer is a Friday prayer. Eid prayers is also an example of congregational prayer. Salatul Istisqa is a good example of a congregational prayer. What is Salatul Istisqa, class? This is a prayer that is performed after the prolonged drought to seek for the rain. Lastly, Kusuf and Kusuf. Importance of congregational prayer. Number 1 is it promotes unity and brotherhood. It promotes unity and brotherhood. Muslim meet frequently every day, hence know each other and discuss the matters affecting the society. It also promotes equality among Muslims. In congregational prayer, Muslims from different social background, they stand shoulder to shoulder behind the Imam with harmony. The other one is it earn more reward. Praying together is highly rewarded, and it is normally rewarded how many times? 27 times than praying alone. It also instills discipline. It also instills discipline in an individual as he or she follows the step of the Imam. It also promotes punctuality. It promotes punctuality. Congregational prayer, it trains one to use his or her time well, since the congregational prayer is performed in a specific time or a fixed time.